she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she...
It's making the vlog. Making it.
You made the cut!
Hi guys. We are getting ready to go out for a birthday dinner. And this is my outfit. I kind of filmed it already for my shorts, so you'll probably see it on there as well. But this is an old top from Revolve. My jeans are Reformation denim, and then the shoes are Inamorata. And yeah, this bracelet that my mom got me, that is actually pretty cool. My gold watch, and just super simple and ready to go.
This might be it.
Well, let's just toss this up on.
Okay, I just want to get over there. We won't even have the option. Oh, hi.
Hi guys, sorry for the fogginess. I'm about to clean the screen. Actually, let me do that. Is that better? So my boy was filming some things for his TikTok, and he found some stuff that people that were moving left out, and we went to grab it because we've been meaning to get a grill, and so we just got a free grill. Like, everything works, it's just, yeah. And what is it, a table with chairs?
Yeah.
All right. Guys, this is the most exciting thing that's happened all week. I'm just
I cut my fingers.
Oh yeah, he cut his, it was hilarious.
I wasn't saying peace.
I wish I wish I would have been filming. So he was coming up.
Hilarious. You cut your...
It's not hilarious that he cut his finger. It's hilarious. Right when he turned the corner into where we live, he dropped the entire thing to the floor. That was pretty funny.
Somebody else in the making first. She just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She